In this video, top 8 attack of eagles and snake versus other birds of the forest. Real fight. Yes. Who will be the winner? See the video from starting to end. The snake try to eating egg of eagles. The eagle jump and fly from the top of tree very fast, very beautiful. They saw the scene already. The attack on the snake. Yes, snake worried, very worried. Yes, and slowly running. Oh, eagle, very fast, very beautiful flying, for attack of the snake. Yes, he tried, and face to face, snake and eagle at the time. Yes, snake tried to cut to eagle, but eagle safely attack on snake. Very beautiful fighting here. Yes, very enjoy this moment. Beautiful fight of eagle and snake. Eagle this time under the snake and eagle catch the neck of snake, and at the moment snake on the eagle. Oh, eagle troubling here because snake is very powerful. At the moment he try to save from eagle, but eagle pick his neck and eat and enjoy at the moment now. The eagle is winner. Yes, eagle is winner. The other side, the other snake and eagle fighting. Yes, very beautiful fighting, very dangerous fighting. Everybody see and enjoy fighting of eagle and snake. The beautiful and very aggressive attack. Any other side, the eagle cut the snake neck and eating and enjoy. Oh yes, eagle is powerful birds of the world. The eagle picked and clicked the snake with their foot. Yes, he try fly. Yes, he successful flying with this snake. Yes, in the sky, blue sky and high flight. Yes, at the moment eagle flying very beautiful. He sitting on the tree. The eagle and his baby eating the snake and much more enjoying at the moment. Once again, eagle is winner. Now, white eagle eating the white snake, pick and cutting, cut and chip. The snake pick up a egg of animals and running on the earth. So beautiful scene. They try to cut the egg. Yes, trying and struggle so much. Oh, the mother bird attack on the snake. Very aggressive at the moment. The cut snake neck. Yes, very aggressive, very powerful now at the time. The snake try to nest of birds, attack, full attack, snake on the neck of birds, mother birds, attack and flying here and there, full attack, other birds with him and attack full power on the snake. Yes, full power attack on the snake. Snake running away, but the mother birds full attack on snake neck. He cut, again cut. Yes, his neck. Snake try to run away but failed at the moment. Here the mother bird's winner. Yes, the eagle is powerful and biggest bird of the world. He mostly living on sky and trees of forests. Beautiful flying, beautiful style and action, popular action of eagle, famous in the world. Yes, the power of eagles, the other birds of the world much more afraid from eagles. The other animals of the forest also afraid from eagle power. Yes, once again fighting moment, eagle and snake. Very dangerous fighting here. Snake very aggressive now, very aggressive, but the eagle power is very much power. Eagle is winner now once again. The next moment eagle attack, very aggressive, and the others animals of forest very dangerous attack. Eagle pick away the animals. Eagle is winner once again. Here now mother bird attack on the snake for saving her children, babies. Yes, now the snake return back attack on the mother birds, fighting much more aggressive at the time. Yes, here the snake and the mother birds fighting much more aggressive. So the result is 50-50 now at the time. Oh, the mother birds fastly running attack for snake. Attack on the snake. Yes, mother bird slowly, very carefully towards, slowly running. Oh yes, snake very dangerous movement, very aggressive. Mother bird looking so much aggressive. He attack on snake, snake attack, and he mother bird snake on the snake neck. Snake return back his attack. Oh, very much beautiful fight and worried any side. Oh, mother birds worried much more at moment. Snake is very powerful here. He jump, full jump on mother birds. Mother bird worried and try to go away, but the snake, this is fighting much more extreme and aggressive any side. Mother bird and snake very powerful now. Attack very aggressive any side. Very extreme fighting here. Snake and mother birds. Snake walking on us and enjoy at the moment. But the mother birds attack once again on snake. Snake afraid, and the mother bird pick his neck and full power his neck he cut to the snake. Snake ended